Welcome back to Quick How To's, the fastest tech tutorials on YouTube. So you have a JPEG and you want to turn it into a PNG. Here's the easy way to do it in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, pick a JPEG image. Copy that image and bring it into Adobe Illustrator. What you're first going to do is you are going to select your image, copy, and paste in front. So Control-C and then Control-F. And now we have two of the images. Control-Z to undo the movement. And now I'm going to click under this Quick Actions tab, Image Trace. And I'm going to select the silhouettes. Once I've finished tracing, I'm going to ungroup. I'm going to click on here again. I'm going to press Release. And then I'm going to press Unite All. And there we go. I'm going to select both of them, and then I'm going to click Make Clipping Mask. There we go. Now I have Megatron. Come up here to File, click Export, and you can switch it from JPEG to PNG, Untitled PNG, Export, OK. And you can see the background color is transparent. Press OK. Now if I reduce this, I can see that now I have a PNG of Megatron.